Michelle A. Mason, our guest speaker, faculties, my fellow graduates, friends, our dear parents, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning to all of you. In behalf of my senior kinder graduates, I would like to say thank you for coming here today to celebrate this memorable event, Graduation Day. Preschool day is very exciting and challenging. Study here, study there, sing there, draw there, dance here, dance there, and most of all, play here, play there, and play everywhere. I would like to say thank you to my classmates who gave me company and friendship. I would like to say thank you to my teachers, Mom Edith and Mom Doris, who's always there to teach and guide us, especially when our parents are not yet around to fetch us. They are there to take care of us. Thank you very much. I would like to say thank you to my papa and mama who gave me so much. And last but not the least, I would like to say thank you to God for giving me wisdom and strength. I hope for more challenging, playful, and wonderful school years to come. Thank you so much and God bless us all.